Nollywood actor and comedian Julius Agwu has confirmed the crash of his marriage.
Yes. With they say your wife left. Is it true? That's the question there.
My wife said she's not marrying me again. Yes. That's true.
Oh.
She said she's tired of the marriage, that she's not marrying me again. That's why I said that I thank God I'm alive.
Wow. And I remember when you brought her to me, that time you were driving RAV4.
You know that I used to have a saying. I said that God works, Satan works in mysterious ways, and God works in miraculous ways. Both of them are me, but one is me than the other.
Okay, how about your kids? How are they doing?
My kids are in America.
Okay, but they're fine. Everything is okay. At least we thank God for that. We thank God for that. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh.
There are no rumors about my health. It's true. I wanted to cool down for a while. Yes, I had a surgery in 2015. I had a tumor surgery, a brain surgery. Yes. I had it and came back and did my Thanksgiving. Yes, after that, I traveled to London to go and do my show. When I traveled to London, just 2 days to my show, I was rushed to a hospital, Lewisham Teaching Hospital, in 2016, 2 days before my show. I was in coma for 3 months. I thank God I'm alive. Yes.
Julius, and you don't even tell me this part.
Now, news, what I'm going to tell you.
Hey!
Yes. I found out that I just relaxed, That's how I've been. That's why you've not been hearing my name, But I thank God I'm alive.